So we have that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'm doing a DIY scented candle. So I've watched a lot of videos doing a scented or DIY scented candle. So I will put down in the description box kung alin yung mas clear na tutorial sa paggawa ng DIY scented candle. So ang ginagamit talaga to make scented candle is the scented oil, but here I will be using this. So ayun, I already read it and meron siyang oil, iba't ibang oil pa nga. Oleifera seed oil, macrocarpon seed oil, cranberry seed oil. So yung cranberry seed oil, yun yung pinakang scent na niya. Yun. And basta marami pa. May almond oil din siya and sweet almond oil. Meron din siyang kung ano-anong oil. And meron din siyang alcohol, but this is safe kasi meron naman siyang oil. So, ayun, without further ado, let's get into the video. Sobrang tagal na ng intro. So, yay! Candle. Yes. You can use old candles or used candles or the wax, but I prefer this one. So, we don't need a candle wicks because ito na rin yung gagamitin natin. So, we also have this hand cream. So, super bango niya, promise. And ito, glass or lalagyan ng candle. And this one, the water. Okay, forgot the tumbler. Wait. So we also need... So what I did here is that I just cut the candle, and yes, I will be using the small one. And I chop it like little chop. And there you go. And we have the candle wicks. We don't need the candle wicks because we have that. So let's cook it. I need this to place it here. So I made a mess here. So what I did here is that I just bought a candle, and yes, you can see that. And I added color. You can add crayons, different crayons color or whatever crayons you do have, but I don't have crayons there, so I use my lipstick to add the color in this candle. So I also put the scented or the hand cream. And yes, that's so easy, busy, and so I use the fork to position the candle. So just like that, we have that, and I'm just going to pour the candle into the glass, and just like that, and yes. And reposition the candle wick just like that, and yes, we have our own DIY scented candle. I told you guys it's safe. Like, see that liquid, candle liquid or whatever is that. So and it smells so good. Like, it smells like roasted cranberry. Okay, just read this. Roasted joke. Actually, it smells good talaga. It smells like strawberries and candy strawberries, whatever strawberries that. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to do this in your home, it's really okay to use the hand cream like what I did on this video, but make sure it has oil. So bye, see you guys next time.